welcome back to Haley's Hotspot. Haley's Hotspot, pick up the unicorns and sing our rainbows. Mom.
It's burning my eyes.
And today, what I'm going to be doing is... what am I doing? No glue slime recipes. I'm going to be testing them out, guys. Not all of them are going to work. Probably not. Let's just see and hope for the best. Right now I'm making the toothpaste slime. It's just toothpaste in the microwave. My mom's kind of helping me with that right now while I'm doing my intro. But yeah, nothing to really see yet. Anyway, if you're new, then a huge welcome to you. If you're not new, then welcome back to Haley's Hotspot. If you could subscribe, like, and turn on post notifications so you're notified every time I upload an amazing video like this one, that would be so awesome of you. Did it work? I wouldn't touch it.
It's pretty warm.
Mom, it didn't work yet.
What do you need to do? You just microwave it till it becomes slime?
Yes, it's not slime yet. Put it in there for 30 seconds. Anyway. Also, right now, I just wanted to get some of the slimes, like, that I think are good. So those are the only two I did, but I did do a dish soap and cream of tartar one, and I put it in the freezer for about 10 minutes, guys. And can I see that? Yeah, this is our steel. So I put my slimes on and do. Yeah, it's just dish soap, guys. I don't think this one worked at all.
Yeah, I don't think this one's working.
No, Mom, it works. You have to do it again and again and again. Takes a while, they said.
Alright, well then, the ball's melting.
Those aren't easy.
Yes, they are.
Oh, yeah, they're yeah, okay. Okay, guys, so we're going to do another slime recipe that I guarantee will work because I've done it before. Anyway, it is the, where is it? Hand soap and foam soap. So today I'm going to be using this orange Dollar Tree hand soap. And it's, I don't know if it works with every hand soap, but I think it works with this one. Because I used it last time, and I think that it would work. So you want to use half and half. So I'm going to use hand soap. And I'm going to use half foam soap. That's about half and half. And yeah. We're gonna mix. Don't worry, guys. I think I used too much hand soap. Foam soap, I mean. Yeah. Why isn't it? I've used too much hand soap. I mean foam soap. Definitely need more of this.
For a minute, this is what it did. Nothing.
Oh, it did it.
No. It didn't.
No, you have to let it sit now. Okay, guys. I'm adding more of this because I really added way too much hand soap, foam soap. Because it does turn out to be a great slime texture. See, guys, how it's getting there. Do you guys see it? So I think you need more hand soap than foam soap, or like actually use the right amount of each. I mean, like I did. So yeah, it's almost there, but that knife really isn't getting anywhere. It's not mixing it up right. This one's very messy now. I know this one works. Okay, guys, it's because I started off this bad. It's a bad one. No, it is. I started off with too much hand soap. From soap. Oh my gosh. So, yeah, it didn't turn out very well.
Trash. No, there's no
Perfectly good container.
I was talking about the liquid.
I put it in the
Or
sink.
the liquid and the trash.
Throw the liquid in the sink, guys. Don't throw it in the trash. It's soap, I think. You'll be fine. Anyway, when I tried it before, it turned out really, really good. And it turned out like this. It's called sour watermelon. Though that was just a container that I used for different slime. See how like it's pretty good? It's kind of fluffy. Yeah, so it's actually really pretty good. I just did it wrong after. I promise you guys this isn't a different one. This one's that one. It's just, I don't know why. Because I added way too much. Okay, let's just get started into the next one. Okay. Pantene and Dial. And you also need water. So I'm going to start with my Dial. Oops. I put it in this bowl because I don't want to use a lot of the Dial. So I put it in here. And this is as much as I can use in this video, apparently. And then I need some Pantene. I'm using Pantene conditioner, by the way. Doesn't matter what kind of Pantene conditioner. Don't use half and half. Use about what I did. This one actually seems really thick right now, but it says to add water, which I have in this ketchup container. Not ketchup container, it's from Squishy Mushy. See, Squishy Mushy. I don't know how much to add with the water. But you also need a lot more Dial, so I think that was the only one with the Dial. No, it isn't the only one. Dial. We have one more Dial one, which is the one we're going to do next. Just because I'm going to get tired of doing all these. This one's a fail. I think it's better without the water, so don't use water in this one, and it might come out pretty good. Use more Dial than conditioner, though. I think it would work better. Anyway, guys, as you could see before, it was starting to get somewhere, but it's called for some water, so I put water in, and that didn't work. Bad recipe. I mean, it's a good recipe, but I'm just calling it bad. Fail for me, but it does work. I think. I don't know. I didn't try them. I looked them up. Okay, next one is 2-in-1. I'm using Suave because Suave is the most 2-in-1s, and it's Suave Kids strawberry scent. Oops, that was a lot. Oh well. Not so well because when it fails, I'm really. Now Dial. I'm not sure how much to add. Just gonna add all the rest of the Dial, which is gonna be about 5 squirts, I think, for you, because that looks about 5 squirts much. And it's a sad fudgy oil. Guys, this is pretty good so far. I don't know if I want to ruin it by adding veggie oil. Don't know what veggie oil or canola oil, whatever it's called. So yeah, I'm using where is this? I'm using canola oil. Any canola or vegetable oil, anything along the lines of that will work. Mom, can you help me open this canola oil? Can you help me open this? Ugh. Oh, Austin. The dog just won't start barking. Okay, so I'm going to add less than this lid full. Okay, that seems good. I don't know how much. Didn't really say how much to add. Oh, it's working. It's working. Oh my gosh, guys. It's actually working. Is it making stretchy, non-sticky slime? Need to soak up all that vegetable oil. Okay, guys, so it did work for a minute. Then it melted. I think that's because of the vegetable oil. I think you need more vegetable oil, I guess. I don't know. I'm not professional here. Not good. Not good. Hopefully this won't be a video of all fails. So I'm pretty sure some of these will work. Some of them. Going on like none of them. None of them are working so far, but I have like a lot more, so not really a lot. Shampoo and salt. Did we do that one? Yes. Pretty sure we did. Let's just put this down for a minute. Is the shampoo and salt one here? Yes. So guys, this one's been in the freezer for a while. The shampoo and salt one. So let us open yours up. Ooh, ooh, ow. Okay guys, I'm gonna mix it because I'm not sure. I would say this is a fail. It's just really cold. Oh my gosh, it's super cold. Super cold. Super cold. Okay. I let this one sit out if I were you guys. Because doesn't look stretchy. Doesn't look pokey. Doesn't look sticky. So I wouldn't think this one's a fail. But it is kind of like it. Before we move on to more, I'm gonna do this one that my mom just let sit out. And it hardened. Great, Mom. Mommy. Okay, guys, so I guarantee you guys this one would have worked. Mom didn't let it sit out. So we're going to try it one more time, guys, with you all here. Anyway. Using this kind of toothpaste with baking soda. I want some slime. We're going to put it in the microwave. I'm not going to touch you guys. Sorry, I can't. Because if I do, I swear I'm going to mess it up. Putting it on 30 seconds, guys. Hoping it'll work. Trying to keep my eye on it, guys. Anyway, I need this storm thing. Like right time. Okay, guys, that looks like it's kind of bubbling. Oh yeah. So guys, there's another recipe. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Stop. I'm sorry. Not like exploding. Like, yeah. Yeah. It's extremely hot, guys. You want to stir. Oh my gosh, it smells so bad. Oh my gosh, it smells. Oh my gosh, it's burning my eyeballs. It smells so bad. So like that mint smell. Extreme mint smell. Extremely minty. I'm gonna put it back in here. Mommy? Yeah. I don't know where she's at. I'm gonna put it in there for 10 seconds though. Because good thing I was watching it. Okay. Sorry guys, I need to watch this. You guys can just like sit back in your house, watch some TV for a minute. I need to watch this. Okay, it didn't seem to work very much more. I'm gonna put that in there for 10 more seconds, guys. Hopefully it will do a bit more. Because it keeps popping all over the place. What?
Cover it up with a napkin.
Oh, is that what you did?
Yeah.
This coffee thing?
Yeah.
And I'm putting it in there for 20 seconds, guys. So while that's going, guys, we're gonna do the Pantene one. You want to cut? You want some Pantene conditioner, and you're gonna freeze it. That's it. That's all you have to do. Is literally take some, freeze it. Okay, I'm freezing it now. I'm taking out this weird toothpaste one, and I'm gonna show you guys. I haven't opened it yet. Let's go. Oh, okay. Seems to work a bit. Okay, now we're gonna add some vegetable oil, canola oil. That's what it said to do on this recipe. So guys, this ruins it. It's not my fault. Okay. I don't know if it's working or not. I can tell it's coming to that slime consistency, and I'm scared to set it over there and have it harden like this one did. So I'm gonna put this little napkin over it again. Hopefully that'll work. The other one hardened though, because Mom left it here. I know I told her to, guys. But look. Ugh. So hard. If like we kept an eye on it, that it would have been better. This one's also someone guarantees that it totally works. And then I don't know what it's. Okay, I think that's it. I know the dish soap cream of tartar worked because I saw it and it worked. So I'm sad that one did not work. It's not fair. Okay, let's check back on this shampoo and salt one. Maybe it's less. Nope, still pretty bad. Okay guys, so I hope this one made you guys happy because it did not make me happy. very bad. At least one of them worked. I'm also going to show you guys one that I made yesterday. I don't know if it worked yet. I let it sit today. Just shampoo, guys. Shampoo. Yucky, yuck, yuck. Just shampoo. Okay, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video and found these tips helpful in case you wanted to make these slimes and they didn't. And the truth behind it all, because I literally have no editing, nothing. This one, kind of hot. Oh my gosh, guys! Toothpaste slime working. Don't worry, guys. I'm not letting this one go hard. I let some of it out. I bet this works with like a lot of it. I didn't add a lot though. But guys, look it. Non-sticky at all with the canola oil. And I'm sure all of you guys have vegetable oil. Or toothpaste at least. Even if you don't have vegetable oil, it would still work. Vegetable oil just makes it less sticky. Also, guys, I recommend doing this in like a paper bowl or something because toothpaste does not come out of glass bowls. It's gonna be very hard to. This is like gonna be one of my favorite putties. It's like a putty texture, guys. It's so weird. I'm gonna dye it a different color though. But you guys, first I want like as much as I can get out of here because it's amazing. Okay, so yeah, guys, totally try this. It is amazing. I'm sorry if the phone dies. The camera dies. Sorry if the camera dies in between this. I'm gonna have some more canola oil. Yep, well, I hope you enjoyed this one. This one totally works, guys, and you need to try it out now. It's even better with just like one little slime. It's super stretchy though. It's so funny. I bet it like pokes and stuff if it's like a bigger slime or putty, whatever you guys want to call it. But I don't know. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna make it bluer. Don't get on me, don't get on me, don't get on me. It's starting to get sticky. I need some more canola oil. That looks like enough. I needed more, guys. It wasn't working with my tiny drop. Come on. Gotta work this canola oil all the way through it. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed this one. It's amazing slime, guys. and you totally need to try it. I was so scared of this one because I didn't want to microwave it and have it like catch on fire or something, but it totally works and doesn't catch on fire. Wow, I'm so amazed with this. Guys, you need to try this. Okay, comment down below if you've tried this one, and if you did, tell me what's good about it that it happened with you guys, and what's bad about it that happened with you guys. What's bad about it is that it took so long to make, like, took different times and everything. So yeah, bye guys. My hands are so oily right now, but bye.